Good morning, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. Right, the machine is parked there and I'm parked here, and we're just getting ready. We're going to head over to the Tay. The forecast isn't fabulous for today, but it's just supposed to be kind of light showers, and yeah, but it's really calm, there's no wind. So we're going to head over to the Tay and get out for an early paddle. It's only just gone 7 o'clock. That's what we're doing. So Loch Tay is just coming into view there. It is kind of cloudy and murky and grey, but as I say, at least the weather is still, the wind is still, so should be okay. Might get a bit drizzled on, so what? Right, so we're just about to head out on the water. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to take the camera that's pointing at my face, because as you can see from the camera that's pointing at it, it's got a wind muffler on and it is raining, and this spongy cover is going to get damp and wet, and it's already been damp and wet once or twice, and I don't want to clog the microphone up with water. So I'm going to use the camera, this camera, so there won't be much in the way of audio on this. I'll put a nice bit of music to it for anything that I think is interesting, any shots that I take on the water, but this one obviously will stay dry. That's the plan! Oh yeah, Scottish filth on the go. There we go, just a little Scottish sandwich, lawn sausage, black pudding, haggis, link sausages. Help! Help! Right, Scotland is basically a write-off weather-wise for the next few days. It's not good all round. So what we're doing is we're heading back to the Lake District. We're going to Pooley Bridge, north of Ullswater. And we're going to see if we can get on Ullswater in the morning where it's supposed to be a little bit better. Right, let's go. Lead on, McGrath. This is cool, isn't it? Right at the base of a mountain.
Really?
Oh wow! Then you turn around and look at that.
Next to a river.
You found water, you're happy now, eh?
Happy.
He's not happy if he's not close to water, isn't Raph? So this is Crieff, or Crieff, not sure how it's pronounced, C-R-I-E-F-F. I think this is Muthil or Mutil. Quite sure. Quite a little village though. Bugger. Well, this place looks familiar. Stopped off for a toilet break. Oh, and stretch our old pins. These things. Just needed a quick leg stretch and pee break, and now we're back on it. We've got about an hour to go, 57 miles to get to Pooley Bridge, I think it was. And then we're going to look for somewhere down the side of Ullswater. Right, this is the England-Scotland border. See you later, Scotland. You were a lot of fun. See you next time. Alright, so we've passed Carlisle, and as you can probably tell, the roads here are a lot drier. There's still a little bit of drizzle, but it's a lot drier, and there are brighter skies up ahead. And that's the thing when you're planning a Pegasus trip, where you're winging it on the hoof. What we've done is we've chased the weather.
Cleared up. Cleared up.
That's Raph saying it's cleared up. Yeah, it certainly has cleared up, hasn't it? It's a lot drier. I was just saying that to camera, oddly enough. Yeah, as I say, it's getting a lot drier, and we've chased the weather. So the reason why we've kind of dotted about all over the place on this one, there wasn't a fixed plan. The plan was purely to go where the weather was best at that given moment in time. So yeah, we've had some crappy weather, but it could have been a lot worse. Back in the Lake District. Bit stunning around here, isn't it? Right, what we're hoping to do is intimidate this person in the red car so that they leave, and then we're going to hog it. Alright, I'm only joking, but we do want that spot. Look at this. So this is Ullswater. What a view. A little bit grey at the moment, but it's supposed to brighten up a bit tomorrow. We've just been looking at this spot. It's a little bit high from here to the other side, but where I was looking at further down, there's a nice little bay. So what we could do is camp here and then move down there in the morning. That's what we're hoping for. But yeah, stunning. Take that any day. Right, so this is where we're staying tonight. As you can see, we've got this wonderful vista. And what we're going to do tomorrow is there's a car park just down the road there with better access to the water, because yeah, as I said earlier, that is a little bit steep, but down there is a better area for launching the boat. The only snag is that car park does have a no overnight stay on, that kind of stuff, where there's nothing in this area. So we're going to be very good, not leave any rubbish, and just have a quiet night here. That's the plan. Right, well, Raph and I have been having a bit of a chat and a couple of beers, and settling down relatively early. I think it's only just gone 10 o'clock. Having an early night. The plan is get out on the water early tomorrow. I will see you in the morning for day 5. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking and subscribing. If you don't like it, stick a dislike on it. Go on, knock yourself out. All right, you take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Day 5. Cheerio.